In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell coins on Kucoin, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the entire process in an easy-to-understand manner. Let's begin by visiting the Kucoin website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Kucoin homepage. Kucoin is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its user-friendly interface and wide variety of trading options. It's essential to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any phishing scams, so double-check the URL before proceeding. Next, you need to log into your Kucoin account. If you're already a registered user, simply click on the Login button, conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password, and if you've opted for enhanced security, complete the two-factor authentication process. If you're not logged in, you won't have access to the trading features. If you haven't already entered, now's the time to be on the Kucoin homepage. After logging in, you should find yourself on the main page, also known as the homepage, where you can access various services that Kucoin offers. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as understanding where everything is will help you in the subsequent steps. Look for the Trade button on this page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various trading options. For the purpose of this guide, we will focus on spot trading. Spot trading is straightforward and ideal for beginners, as it involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at current market prices without dealing with complex futures contracts. Once you've accessed the spot trading platform, the next step is to choose the trading pair. A trading pair consists of two currencies: the base currency you want to buy and the quote currency, which is what you're using to make the purchase. For example, if you're interested in buying Bitcoin using USDT, you would select BTC USDT as your trading pair. It's vital to ensure you have the necessary funds in your account to perform the transaction. As you progress through these steps, pay close attention to the current market rates and fees associated with each transaction. Kucoin typically charges a small trading fee, and staying informed about these costs can help you manage your investments more effectively. In summary, you'll start at the homepage, log in, head to the main home interface, choose the Trade option, select Spot Trading, and finally, pick your desired trading pair. By acquainting yourself with these foundational steps, you're on your way to successfully buying and selling coins on Kucoin. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage with these tools, the more confident you'll become in navigating the world of cryptocurrency trading.